I'm Adeyemi. Yeah, today I'm going to be showing you how you can use your mobile phone to add caption to any video. Yeah, so this is just a short video in addition to our previous video that we did, how to use AI to create a promotional video, right, for our brand company. So let's proceed. So the first thing is to go to our CapCut. Yeah, definitely. So we have two versions of CapCut, right? We have a mobile and we have a desktop version. On the desktop version, you can easily create it freely without even have to subscribe to the Pro version. The first thing to do is search for auto caption. So click on auto caption. Once you are done, let's just go to where we can find our video, and this is our video as you can see. So let's add. So for this particular pro version I'm using, I easily uh, make this video a HD high quality. I will now add. Good, loading. So the next thing to do now is to click on the clip. So let me just take it back. So this is our video. So there's auto caption here at the bottom tab here. Click on it. So with the CapCut, okay, generate from where? From video. Spoken language auto detect. We're using English, yes, that one is better. So we can now click on any format that we want our caption to be. So I think this is not bad. So let's pick one. We can pick any one. So then click on generate. So we have to wait for like maybe 5 seconds, a little bit done, or 10 seconds. Good. So good, confirm. So this is our caption based on the design that we choose. So let's play it.
Hello, welcome to Zach Media Arts, a subsidiary of Zach Multimedia House. We bring creativity and repute, and we create memories that last a lifetime.
So here, I think at the first, at the beginning, there's some error there, so we need to change it. So this will show us how we can easily edit if there's any error one way or the other, or you want to add any word to it. So just click on edit caption here at the bottom of the phone. Edit caption, click on it, then here double click on any word you want to change. So I'm going to remove the H, right, Zach Media Art. So and click on check through. If you have any error too, you can do that. So mark it done. So let's play again.
Hello, welcome to Zach Media Arts, a subsidiary of Zach Multimedia House.
So
we bring
this is where we're going to stop the video. Before I stop, we have to export. Just click on export. If you are using pro version or arc version like me, you can easily export through AI Ultra HD. But if you are not using the pro version, you can just I think you can only export 720 version, like HD, our version of HD. So but for this one now, I can easily download Ultra HD, the high quality. So just click on export, then our video will start exporting. Good. So this is our video. So okay, done. Save to device. So done. So let's check where our video saved to. So let me just click on it.
Hello, welcome to Zach Media Arts, a subsidiary of Zach Multimedia House. We bring creativity and repute, and we create memories that last a lifetime.
So thank you very much. I'll see you next time. Bye.